Hey, Max. Max, dude, you tired? You just had a long doggy walk. Yes, you did, didn't you? You are such a cutie pie. Especially in that walk, you know. What's the matter? You open it up? You make it back in time for you. Well, we will make up for you tomorrow. Yeah, dude.